Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we will learn how we can view the HTML file live while we are edited in Visual Studio Code. For that, first you will have to create a workspace. For that, you go to your documents. There you create a folder. Here I have created a folder. The folder name is HTML, and I also have a page. That page name is index. Now directly you'll see this is my page output. Now I want to open live, means while I will do some editing, that should be reflect live on the browser. For that, first we'll have to open code. So I'm typing the command to open Visual Studio Code, so that code appears. Now to open the Explorer, you will go here, open folder, and you will select the folder, which folder you are opening. HTML we are opening, and select folder. Okay, now see HTML folder opened here in Explorer. In HTML file, double click to open it in editor. Now the file is opened. Now first you will have to add the server. There you will see at status bar go live option, but this option doesn't come by default. You will have to add one add-ons. For that, you go to extensions. There you search live server. That live server is there. That one you install. After installing live server, this option will be available here. Now we will go to Explorer again, and to our index file we will start the live server. Our server started. You will see the page open here. So we can make our window little smaller, so that at same time we can have a look at our windows. And also the Visual Studio Code little bit smaller, so it's adjusted now. Now you will see whatever edit part I do here, it will also reflect there. Like I am here writing mark sheet of 2023. So it's reflected here. I am giving h1 command to the caption. h1 then h1. You can see it changed the style. So this way we can have a live preview of our HTML5 HTML pages in Visual Studio Code. Sometime when you are doing for the first time, the page might not appear. At that time, what you will do, you will open Explorer, right click on that particular file, which file you want to display on the server, and click on the option open with live server. So when you click open with live server, the page will open here. So this is the way to open a file in live server in Visual Studio Code. If you still have any problem, write in comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.